Hey there, Kim Tarr here. Just want to give a shout out to Jordan Mackey and his YouTube courses. I took his courses, uploaded my first video. 3 months later, I was in the monetization review process. And, I didn't buy any subs, I didn't buy views. And the best part is I only uploaded maybe like 30 videos. And 3 months later, like I said, I went to monetization review. 2 days later, I was approved for monetization. The reason why it even took that long is because there was a holiday in between. But my very first month of being monetized, I made $512.89. Second month of being monetized, I made $1,365.45. If you are on the fence about buying Jordan's course, hands down, you have to buy it. If you are willing to put in the work that it takes to build a YouTube channel. He tells you everything you need to know. You just need to apply the action steps that he goes over in his training. And top notch, definitely buy it. And thanks for watching.